Lasang Pangmasa, Food and Filipino Popular Culture, submitted by Berniel E. Felicitas. Introduction. Every Filipino has what we call fiestas, gatherings, and street food. These are the food that leave a mark on every Filipino and will never be forgotten because of the memories made during every celebration. In this video, we will explore all the flavors and dishes that defines Filipino cuisine. Street foods culture. Street food is one of the most recognizable part of Filipino popular culture. There are many kinds such as quick quick, fish balls, and isaw. These are not just snacks. They are food that bring joy and unite the community. Festival and Fiesta Foods. Fiesta is the biggest part celebration among Filipinos. Foods prepared and served on a table include lechon, pancet, native delicacies, and many other special dishes. These dishes show how Filipinos value hospitality, kindness, and staying together as family. Food and Filipino media. Food is also widely featured in Filipino movie and TV shows. Scene of families eating together often represent love, connection, struggle, and unity. Regional foods and identity. Regional foods are dishes special to a certain place and they define the culture, history, and unique identity of the people living there. Everyday Filipino life. Food is a part of daily life for Filipinos, whether it is food brought from home or meals bought at small eateries. It shows our simple way of living and how we enjoy being together. Conclusion. Filipino foods is not just about how it tastes. It carries our culture, identity, and history in every dish. Whether it is enjoyed as street food, served during big fiestas, featured in media, or eaten our daily meals, it serves as a special bond that connects Filipino from all walks of life and across different generations. It brings people together. In every dish, you will find stories of our traditions, love, and community. Basta lutong Pinoy, patok ang lasa sa bawat tao. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.